I'll put on a hat. And I need one of you guys. I love you. All right. We got the Ultra Strawberry Dreams today, guys. My hat's red. I hate that. My hat's
What's
red.
going on with my candles painting?
America area.
It's driving me nuts.
I'll probably burp it.
Is Baron long or short? Baron is definitely just selling.
All right, I've been in the market all day, guys. That's kind of a joke, but not really. I've been playing my games. Let's check it out real quick. I gotta do some I gotta do some real quick. So I keep track of myself. See, I told you I was gonna burp. Rename as journal. Okay. Today is the 27th. We don't need to worry about anything other than today. Generate that. Look at this. Look at the orders, my guys. My guys. But look at this.
Here we go.
Well, look at that. I am in the positive. Do I keep trading? I don't know,
You guys are
man.
welcome.
I'm
Sure.
like,
Yeah, I think
I don't know, but I've been into 3 different markets
Yeah,
today.
would you
Been
use the
having
same
some
volume
fun.
bar on
My
AQ and
very
MAQ
first
or
trade of the
M0
day.
volume? If not,
Shut up, Nick. Just kidding. That was very quiet, you. My very first trade of the day. I got long on the R1. I thought it was going to bounce. Hadn't watched oil all day. And look at the candle. That was like $200. And I only lost like, I don't know, like freaking 5 cents or something. Not even, it was crazy. I was like, really? But determined. I got a win here, and I got a win here. Okay. So 2 wins, 1 loss. This is why I wanted to get my reports up. Not my journal necessarily. It's a lot to remember. And I know that sounds bad, but I remember the trades that when I was in them, but they felt good. I don't feel like I pushed into anything, so I feel fine with my trades today. Why is it like, don't we usually have like a summary? There we go. Should make this bigger for you guys. Man, look at that. Wow. The shorts are just not working for me. You should do percentage, because when you do percentage on this one, you get to see the percentage and the dollars usually. It's not as cleaned 100%. It was 66% yesterday. So I'm sitting at 88, but I do have a win on the down, and I've lost 2 so far on the up. Like I said, that one oil was one. I don't remember the other loss. I have not been chasing nothing. Dang. I should have stayed in that trade longer. Mr. Gleason, he was down $200 on his long position of MMQ, and now he's up 200. I was in at 0 where he was, and that was this. That's where I came up to the positive on the last trade. Anyway, what's my biggest profit factor? 2.29. That's a beautiful number. Oh my goodness. I kind of want to get on my Webull and try to get up into the YM trading amount. 30 seconds. 5 minutes almost. Let's just look at the analysis real quick. I know I should be in the market, but it's whatever right now. Trade percentage. What does that even mean? It's a lot of money. It's interesting. I don't know what MTR means. There's still this loss number, man. Like, I lose so big. I don't get it. There is a lot of times where I am worried that I'm not in the right spot. This is definitely trending down. Should I do it? It's way late in the move. I don't know. Might just do a little scalpy scalp. Let's get into something I'm better at. See, this always happens. I was in a really good position right here. I should have stayed in this trade. Cutting winners early. There's no entry point. This is reminiscent of Friday right now. I do this. I summarize and I look at stats and I get stuck in the paper. And because I'm a stat guy, I like stats. I've been into stats since I was a kid for football and stuff. I just love numbers with statistics behind them and averages. And so when I start looking at them, I get really carried away. On these guys. So right now I'm gonna have to wait for a pullback to
Yeah, there's nothing to cash out anymore. It's all gone.
We get that 26.5. Yeah, I've been trading MYM and I've been trading all three of these today. Just trying to maximize a little bit. Is that a shooting star up here? This is a heck of a consolidation on a rising trend. It's very interesting. I think I should sell right now.
It's actually, I'm putting a chart of NVIDIA side by side with the NQ, and it actually started moving before the NQ did. NVIDIA started moving up at 3 o'clock, and we didn't start moving up in the NASDAQ till 3:10. Kind of like getting a short here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Let me just
Order submitted.
420 guy to 420 guy. The world we live in.
Oh gosh, I just realized that's where we are. I should get out.
It's a mythical level.
I cannot believe I got missed on that. That is frustrating. I get stopped out now. So I'm basically playing that this trend has been holding. We broke the line. I was hoping we'd climb it. But
Order filled. Order canceled.
I'm going to take a stab at this.
I should drop my stop loss a little lower. Should I reverse position right here? It's trending up.
It's kind of stalling out here up at this range. There's some passive offer activity that, just seem like they're interested in just kind of voting as much as they're just kind of taking all the buying they can. Idea here is that top of the range is in, and going into the close, with so much consolidation we have, we end up back in the middle of the range somewhere.
Definitely a good chance it happens.
I really would love to be in the at least in the positive day. Missed a pullback there.
Don't even need a big stop here. Just could use 8 or 9 points. Because if we start to breach, these highs, then more likely that the run up is going to continue.
So we're trying to let these get.
Sean, I do not hedge ever. I try some things I'm going to do are correlated. Sometimes I even find my short ES and long MQ in different setups. if we have enough volatility, which we don't right now, but I am never short gold or long NQ to kind of equal it out. So that may be the case, but it's not the intent.
So we're going to see what happens after this candle. It's pretty trendy down, man. I need some sort of, I need something to come back. Just enough for me to get in. To get a stopping point. I can't, that's a bankrupter right there. That's a huge move. With 7 positions.
What is happening to my markets?
Yeah, man. What did you do?
I mean, it's my fault. I
So,
wrote
I
about
can
being
buy in
excited
here.
for this week, but really
Order
my excitement,
filled.
I guess, is only really Wednesday through the rest of the week. I didn't think
Sell
about the
stuff
first 2 days
there.
where likely we don't do anything.
There's 10 points.
It is what it is.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
This ES looks like it'll break out.
It's better.
Oh man, I guess yes, does have that look. Got that flat top right now, but
I hate it.
You know. There's not a good position, but you know, because I don't trust it right now. Because it's coming down. Because it's a bad trade.
It's gonna be one of those close moves.
It's bad.
yeah, like they can't get it done during the day. They just ram it in the last 10 minutes.
Yeah, right at the algo bell. Just jam it. They'll probably fall right back in.
Mm-hmm.
Order submitted.
What the? Man, this thing hates me. Oops. I'm the wrong one.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted.
I think I could go with this trade for
Order filled.
6 points. Whew. Thrilling stuff.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Wait, for you haven't touched the overnight high and yes.
Order submitted.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Oh, well, yeah, I guess actually.
Order
Now that makes
canceled.
sense now that I'm thinking about this.
Order submitted.
That's 208. I'm thinking, yeah,
What's
and
the,
Q, sorry, it was way
what's
further.
the edge full stat in us taking out that overnight high? I bet it's pretty high because we haven't taken out overnight lows either.
NQ took out its overnight low.
Thank you, Robin. Yeah, I think taking out overnight high or overnight low, one of the two is like, it's got to be above 80%.
No, one of the it's usually like 99 to 98% of the 20-day rolling.
Okay. It's high enough. This will be the one time it doesn't take it out. Just kidding.
So you're saying there's a chance. Leah, do you decide how many points your stop will be below the low if there isn't any good obvious volume profile levels? My normal stop distance is 15 points.
People
So if
do
I don't
not
have
want
a
this
great
to go high.
reference
There's a lot of volume.
that I'm using as a stop, then it just goes to, I keep it at that 15-point range.
Here's our pullback.
On the other hand, a double takeout is pretty rare.
I do not want it to hit where I
Yep,
got
I
in,
agree.
just here. So I'm going to lose this trade.
NQ would be a double takeout or?
I think I'm going to move this up here.
Well, I don't think NQ has a chance in hell in getting to the overnight.
Oh,
high.
yeah. I just realized that. Yeah.
Where is the overnight high on here?
The Leostat is not in play because we did not make a new high in the last 30 minutes. The prior 30 minutes.
Oh, up here? Yeah, we're not hitting that. But I think we will hit here. Somewhere on this line.
Oh my God, Nick!
What?
I'm just looking at our chat.
24.55.
Oh, yeah, I've been pretty busy the last couple days.
24.48.
Joe, on these
4.3.
positions, I'm all in, all out. In higher volatility markets, I typically scale. In lower volatility markets, I'm more all in, all out. Because these markets, like it's easier to trail slower markets, and it's harder to get back in slower markets. So, you'll see me
Do
do both.
do you like trading slow markets, Jack?
No, but I can. Slow markets are, as they're referred to, as like dangerous because I think you're more prone to make mistakes. If you take a loss, because you force yourself. Even my entry, although it's working out well in the NQ, like that's a mistake for me. I should have held, to my targets and got long at a better entry. Fortunately, this mistake was like worked out in my favor. I basically make mistakes at some point, at least every week. Sometimes, every other day. There's small ones like that where you say you're going to enter a level and then you don't wait for it. Like, it's not a huge mistake, but
Order filled.
But slower markets will do that to me.
Order canceled.
Yeah.
Whoa, man. Why can't we just punch this high?
And sell it.
something either way.
So should I have took those points there? Do you think? Hindsight says yes. We broke the trend at that break even. So as soon as this candle opened and we went down, the trade was over. I should have flattened it. I could have got a couple points out of it, but moving my stop up quickly was smart. As you can see, I'm liquidated out. The trend was broken as soon as this candle went to my buy-in, which was right there, you know. So I think that was the right move to get out uneven. Getting a point to cover for commission would have been nice. I thought, judging by the look of the 5 minute, I thought we would make it up here. And as you can see, I moved it down to a certain point to where we were going to cross this at
See it
here
from Tintin.
at close. Well, here's close. So I should have took that into account. We're going to go back up right now, I think. Yeah, do I buy in? How much are we going to go up? No, I can't get in. I hesitated. That would have been a huge move. That was a big move. I mean, they say that people don't manipulate the market, but that was big hedge getting retail marketers out. There's no other. It's not on accident. They know what they're doing when they push things, you know. They know people have stop losses and set in certain spots.
Just wild.
Now, if I was in where I was here and I kept my stop loss clear down here,
Well, there's nothing to do.
but it's broken now.
Chat, what questions do you have for the three of us? Because this is one of them slow days.
We gotta fix this. And this is gonna mess everything up for the day. Let's go. Where's my EMA?
Is there a reason you wouldn't trade the minis instead, or do you just prefer to trade micros so your process stays the same and you can also change your strat on the fly?
Yeah.
I tend to trade micros when volatility ticks up a little bit, but I am kind of at a point where I kind of wish I was still holding a few micros here and there on some of these wider moves, but I'm also just worrying about trying to hold trades longer than I currently do.
Man, I told you.
I know the question was for Jack. I was giving you
I
my
could've-
answer, and I figured
look at
somebody
that.
else would also.
That would
give
not
their
have been that
answer
big of
as
a
well.
risk if I would have got in when I said it.
Is probably the same as his answer. I
It would have been that risk
it's
right
just
there.
easier for me to
Six,
concentrate
7
but I
points.
do occasionally trade minis when I'm trading for my phone. If I want to be a little stupid
And then
and
I could have just
you know,
that.
want to trade for my phone, I'll trade a mini. Usually when I'm running a multi-strategy bracket order, I can't execute that from my phone, but I run it's referred to as a strategy order. It's actually a strategy that gets applied. And because my stops and everything are just like automatically calculated, and it's actually done through a strategy and they move the break even. These are just standard bracket orders. The color of the order actually changes on the screen based on what I'm running. Yeah, I have my NQ target is 27,449, and I got like my target's all the way up at 72.75 in the ES. I mean, that's through overnight highs. I do have like a 72.10, but you know, I'm hoping we get a little move into this close. I don't know. I mean, I didn't like that last move down in the the NQ, but it was immediately bid back up. If we start falling back through that 5-minute low, it's probably just a dead close. I'm kind of just hoping that there's just some, with this low volatility, maybe there's some orders at the close. I don't know. These aren't great trades, honestly. This market's slow. Like, they're not great trades.
Yeah.
There it goes 6 points. Yeah. Right here.
I am looking for a sweep of
Order
the highs,
submitted.
but it is literally solely reliant on my anticipation of a continuation into the close, an increase in volume,
Let's
and
turn
a
it.
continuation in the direction of the higher time frame, which is up. But I give it a 65% chance that happens. Why do most day traders wear hats? Well, I'll tell you why I do. So I don't gotta get my hair ready. I don't really feel like putting gel in my hair. And I
Order
don't wanna
submitted.
walk on here looking like a beetle. With my flat head.
The fun of streaming. Most of us probably are wearing hats. I feel like I haven't worn a hat in a while.
Order filled. Order
50,
submitted.
50. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't.
Mm.
Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
This will probably be my last trade. I don't know. We'll check it. It's not looking very, very pretty.
Something to be aware of Friday is the Eurozone will not be trading. It's a bank holiday in a lot of the European countries, Italy, Germany, French, Swiss, bank holidays on Friday. So it could be a slow morning session. Maybe not, though.
This is just not a place I should be trading. Like I should get, I could have got low there. This is
EU
not too
version of
bad.
Labor Day. Okay. Interesting. You from the EU?
You drop to here, I'll buy.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Come on, gold.
I don't know if this is a very good trade.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order canceled.
Oh,
Here we
Yeah.
go.
See? There they go.
there's some fun.
Order submitted.
So if we look at where this line intersects,
And it's over.
here,
And we're good. Well, there goes the overnight high in the ES. I'm still targets above that high. But my targets are 12 quarter right now.
I need to take a crap. I don't want to slam this, but yeah, that trend line is pretty. It's just wanting a breaker.
Weak ES made a new high. So happy all-time high to everyone who celebrates.
Yay! New all-time high.
Oh, was that the all-time high?
Yep.
Okay. I didn't realize that. Oh yeah, what am I talking about?
So confetti, all the other fun stuff.
Yep. My higher time frame targets in the ES are all the way up at 73.87, and I'm pretty bullish until we get that. Yep. I mean, we actually had a consolidation last week for the first time, and it was still bullish. A couple of check backs into some taking out some daily swing lows, and then instantly, I mean, Thursday that rip lower that was the last time I actually traded before today was right before we broke down on that Thursday when we had that fake news that just instantly got sucked right back up. That was crazy. I was actually short going into that move on Thursday where we dropped, I don't know, 100 points
Jeez.
in like an hour or whatever it was. And I covered in the first 5-minute bar and shut my computer down. And then I saw it continue to drop, but I had to leave anyway, so.
People going to sell us off at the last minute? We'll be back in the negatives.
Yeah, I shouldn't have closed my long. You're right.
Yeah, I feel like that's the tough thing in slow markets. It's just like it's not going to get that quick move you're used to,
Yeah.
and you just gotta, it's really uncomfortable when a position's not doing anything.
Holy crap.
Yeah, you just have to be willing to sit there and wait.
Yeah,
Well, I could have, unfortunately.
like especially if you believe you're on the side of the higher time frame. I think like shorts, like if a short's not going your way in this market quick, like near
Yeah, you
all
just
time
gotta get
highs,
out.
yeah, that you got to get out of. Longs, like more forgiving, of course.
He's about right here,
Come on.
right? Or
Keep going.
Attention traders, it's algo time.
better watch our trade.
Here we go.
Oh, some more fun.
Come on.
I'm gonna get it pushed out. Probably.
This is what we sell.
Yeah. I don't like that.
I can't get out. Ah, dang it! Come on, boys. Come on, boys.
NVIDIA new high.
Let's just come back to the point and get me out.
What?
Just get up there and come out. Get me
Okay, I
out.
got out of my NQ. I was like trying to figure out of my NQ there, not at the ES.
Come on, boys. Bring it back up. Bring it back up. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I got the crap. Let's go. It's gonna fail. I think this is gonna fail.
There we go.
So-
Smash the like button for a couple of positions on a boring session. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to watch us trade. And Monday, on Monday as Monday gets. It is as Monday as Monday gets.
Ah, sting it.
I'm just going to take this ES off for a couple points. And we'll see what gold does here. And then we can get back down this candle and call it a day.
I don't know what the probability means.
I don't know about a spicy night here, but I would expect tomorrow morning to be more spicy than this morning.
Oh, baby. Come on. An 8. That's a 13-point move. $1.50. Come on. I know you want to get back up there. I know you want to do this for me. It would be wise to raise it, bring it down. I would think so.
Oh, okay, don't speak it. Gotcha.
He's speaking right now.
Speaking tonight.
No, tonight.
So that would be after the hour. So that is where I should have it. It's right there. It's 1402. Now this is going to break here soon, one way or the other. I think I lost it. I'm just not confident. Maybe I could get 3 more in and bring it down here and then drop that.
Just
But then
enough to
I'm
get
like,
through that overnight high in the ES and no follow through. So not yet. 5 minutes to close, ladies and gentlemen. We can all go by today.
I really got to. It'll be nice. It'll be nice to end the day with a positive number. Sorry, I pointed with a positive number here. How do I move my side? -11. Oh my goodness.
Order canceled.
This mother trucker here.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order
Hello,
canceled.
Jim.
Hey, Jim.
Kind of quiet here today.
It was
Yeah, it's quiet markets.
not much happened today.
The S&P looks like it's going to have another all-time high close today, which is crazy.
Yeah. And we're at war. I think.
No,
Wait,
S&P doesn't know that. I didn't tell him.
Okay.
War is
I'm not sure
over.
if it's a war or just like an issue about the strait. I don't even know anymore.
Neither do I. There's supposed to be another press conference or something.
Cool.
Let's get some stuff rolling. Well, there's going to be some earnings coming down the pike, so that should get stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff coming up.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, today though, this should have been we should have known this was coming today because we had a really important earnings miss this morning. Domino's Pizza missed across the board.
Ooh.
Oh,
I
but
mean-
that's bearish Domino's. Okay.
I gotta say, I have an order this quarter.
My son loves Domino's. Gotta say it. And he's very picky. So when we want to have pizza, it's we either have to get him his own Domino's and get us something else that we actually want, or we have to get Domino's pizza.
You're good,
Oh
Dad.
my goodness. You would not have been a good 70s dad.
Yeah. I know because I was raised by one.
My dad would be like, this is what we're having for dinner. You don't
Yeah.
want it? Well, go to bed hungry.
Mm-hmm.
This
I've-
Jim guy
I've
has a huge
Had many of
nose.
those nights when I was growing up.
Yeah, me too. I think my dad was pretty cool. I shouldn't be so hard on him.
No, my dad was great, man.
Yeah.
Besides the forcing me to eat rice, even though it has no nutritional value and I can't stand rice, but I like it now.
Wild rice is pretty good for you, I think, right?
Debatable.
I don't know. I do not know. But anyway. Yeah, tomorrow things start picking up a little bit. We got Spotify, we got Coca-Cola. UPS should be interesting, and then SP Global. But UPS, I think, gives us a little bit of a understanding of people still buying stuff.
Well, guys, thanks for joining. Thanks for watching later, whatever. I did not finish on the green side of the day. I should have closed that out to make sure I did. We could, I mean, y'all could see it too, right? Like everything was saying get out, but one thing I'm trying to do is let my trades play. So yeah, I'm dropping right down to the 200 SMA right now. At least that was on MIM and MQ. A lot more costly. Look at this. There's just nothing anymore. So right up to where I said, right up to this line, dude. 49 would have been a great place to get out. But that's what I'm saying. That's why I let that trade play out. It lost. I should have let this trade play out. It would have got me into funded. So we'll get funded one day, boys. We'll get funded one day again. I could do a 3-point trade on CL right now and just kind of put a buy here. This is an interesting. What is going on here? I think we're gonna. All right, guys, we're gonna try something stupid. We're gonna wait for one more move on the. Trying to decide.
I said that word wrong.
Let's just rewind this for a second. You go to there. I think we're. No, that's too far.
Coming down the pike. So that should get stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff coming.
We already talked about that, dummies.
Understanding of people still buying stuff.
Hey,
And then tomorrow after the close, we have Visa,
I am gonna get.
Robinhood, and
I'm gonna get-
Starbucks,
I'm gonna
Waste
get-
Management.
2 points off of these. Okay. All right.
But Wednesday is really where the rubber meets the road, man. After the
So
close,
sell?
Amazon, Microsoft, Meta, Google,
I'm just
Qualcomm,
gonna rotate back over.
Ford. Chipotle is thrown in there too for Wednesday after the close. So I'm not missing any of that.
Nick, you buying puts on Chipotle?
No, I think the pain trade for Chipotle is, I mean, it's probably still lower, but I think the best part of that trade is probably done at this point.
Yeah.
Oh, so now it's bullish.
No, I'm not buying.
That's right,
Chipotle.
what do you got?
Who's eating there? You seen the prices?
6
I
cents.
mean, it sounds like they're still bearish.
Well, yeah, I keep seeing videos. I saw several videos of people seeing their portion.
I just-
sizes
I-
of burritos
I-
and just like walking
I'm
out of
so
like filming what how much
mad.
they're getting them and then just walk away because nobody's paying $20 burritos for that minimal
At
amount of
that
meat.
last, it broke it.
No.
It broke this trend, dude.
Do we hit a nerve here?
Oof.
Oh, Jim,
I should have checked that.
Years of talking markets
That would have let
online
me
and
know.
having a thesis that Chipotle is overpriced, food quality is negative, and wanted to short it to zero.
Oh, all right. I live on an island. We finally got a Jimmy John's. That's the only thing we have is a Jimmy John's. So, but I heard the bell ring. Closing near the highs in the NASI, even the S&P closing at the highs. Incredible run for these markets. Dow took a little bit hard today. Russell did pretty good, up 0.11%. Bonds just kind of hovering below 114 handle. Not much going on there. A couple of mixed bags in the auctions, as Tracy pointed out. Crude oil's on a rip, $96.41 for the WTI June contract. And then gold. Did gold do anything today? Gold is, wow, no, gold is sub 4,700 as well, waiting for crude oil to do something. So that's today. Tomorrow's another day, folks. Speaking of tomorrow being another day, we have a great lineup, everybody. Tomorrow, we have Carol Roth is with us. She was on before. She's, I'll read her bio. She's a 2-time New York Times bestselling author, recovering iBanker, biz concierge. I said that word wrong. A biz finance econ explainer, advocate for big hair and small biz, plays herself on TV. So Carol's, she's awesome, actually. She's really good. She's kind of funny, obviously. You can tell by that description. But so she's going to be a special guest tomorrow morning with Deli and Shy. Deli is back, by the way, everybody, in case you missed this morning. T-Trades is going to be on Tape Talk. Merritt, Black, and Christian trading boxes are going to trade the open. They're going to be joined by Jack's coming back tomorrow, midday, to join those guys with Selma. So we'll see Jack tomorrow. And then Leo, Nick, Stowe, and XYZ are all coming back. Trade the close tomorrow. 4 of you guys are trading the close tomorrow afternoon, huh?
I wonder what we're going to be talking about tomorrow.
Could be more Chipotle news. You never know.
Maybe. We'll find out.
Yeah.
This
So
candle
anyway, great show tomorrow. Appreciate everybody being here at Ninja Trader Live today. We
It
had a great
looks like
show.
we might do a
Let's give these guys a round of applause.
right.
You know, man, Mission Control is ready to go. Anyway, thanks, gentlemen. Appreciate you. I'll talk to you later on this week. And I do want to remind everybody, of course, the most important message of the day. Please be safe out there. Be good to each other. And we'll see you soon.
Take care, chat. Later, Jim.
When the volume
Thanks, Jim.
and the exponential moving averages are starting to split, I don't know what to do about it. We've broken this a couple times. It's not that important. Anyway, we're gonna end this day in the red. $8 exactly. Sorry, here, we'll do it this way because I don't know how to move my picture. There we are. Bam. That kind of. Can you guys see it? Can I make this bigger text so it's like people can see it better? I wonder. Anyway, right here, $8 down, all in that last trade. I was up most of the day, maybe $24. So, not a bad day. little disappointed in that last trade. I saw what I needed to do and I didn't do it because of rules. You follow rules, it's smart. So I guess I can't complain too much. Yeah, I like that. Then I have to click it to bring it up. Okay. And you guys can now see my total, what I have on my account. Man, $275 day though. Brought my account up nice. I'll be back tonight. We'll do a couple trades after my brain gets some rest after school and all that fun stuff that happened today. Thanks for joining. I appreciate it. I didn't journal. That is something I'm trying to get better at doing. But yeah, I mean, not too bad. 60% probability. I don't know what the probability, like, why is this one that I'm doing so well with at such a low probability? That's what I don't understand. And why is the one I'm losing at a high probability? I had high probability of losing there, but low probabilities of winning these trades, maybe? I don't know. But we are trying to learn when to stay in, when to stay out. I cannot complain about $300 day hovering around the 25K mark. That's what got me out on my Flex account. I got sick of the floating. Well, then I just got to do better, right? I just got to do better. Lots of trades. Maybe I should. That's the thing to watch. I got 19 total trades today. These longs killed me. I mean, these shorts. Total misreads. But the longs did a good job for me. So. And the fees are killing me too. 108. Interesting. Definitely more fees on this than there was on Apex. All right. Like, subscribe. Make a comment and come join and help me become better. But keep it. Just remember, everybody, this is about trying to come up with some saying, right? Like, and it never fails. It's how we kiss, or I don't know. Keep it simple, stupid. How is something to choking during sex is the new normal. That is true.
To enlarge the
So you can put your penis in this device. They've actually done research on this. So 30 minutes twice a day, and it does show improvements in length about 2 centimeters.
All right, I got to go over to Master Droopy Gaming. I am going to go play some D4. Come join me over there. Love you guys. I mean, just because you can't push the buttons doesn't mean I don't have supporting characters out there. So, peace. Enjoy yourself. Have a great day.
Whether you're a